today we're gonna talk about the cartoons of our time. Like when we were young and we used to watch these really cool cartoons compared to the ones that kids watch today.
They're all shit.
Captain Planet! And then Captain Planet, like an icy blue pinkish guy, hot ab.
Was he hot? Did you find him hot? I found him.
I don't know if he had he was just like a...
He was cute.
I don't know why we sexualizing it.
Why are you sexualizing Captain Planet? Captain Planet was a shit. He used to protect us from Dr. B. I don't remember her name, but in Hindi they started calling her Dr. Bhatt, and I was just like,
why did you watch that show in Hindi? He-Man by the brother of Grayskull.
The flamboyance in that show. And Skeletor. I used to emotionally connect with Skeletor.
It was a tiger, right? Or
Yeah.
It was a tiger that turned into this huge cat.
Yeah, the tiger used to be like so scared and just timid.
And all of a sudden, by the power of Grayskull, and the cat's like, woohoo, bitch! And then there's also these like two brothers, these cats called the
SWAT cats.
SWAT cats.
Yes.
I think I and my brother were obsessed with them because we used to watch them day and night. Like, jab bhi aata tha bed the
But you know what? Like the Hindi dubbing screwed it up so much. I remember the guys in SWAT Cat were called Bade Bhai and Chote Bhai.
Oh my
Remember?
god! I don't know why would you do that.
And I was like, you couldn't come up with better names.
We had shows like Pokemon,
Pokemon.
I think these ones are the most like.
Pokemon is like common stuff, and Digimon wasn't. I think. Digimon.
I think I like Digimon like better than Pokemon.
I wanted a Digimon. I wanted to live in the
I think
Digiworld.
Digimon were pretty cool.
Exactly, and live the Devimon life.
Like, I mean, they were cooler than Pokemon.
Exactly.
Probably because they could speak. Like Pikachu, like everybody knows Pikachu, and you're like, fuck you. Everybody was just obsessed. Like
Everyone was obsessed with Beyblade, and I didn't get it.
I love Beyblade.
I hated it.
Ho jaye shuru, because it used to come in Hindi too.
Oh my god.
I swear we used to play it on every possible Bartan household vessel.
Oh my god, I remember.
Like those kadas. At least they had better characters than Pokemon Ash Ketchum.
I loved Jessie and James from Team Rocket. Like Pokemon.
Team Rocket was so cool. And Meow.
Remember Mewtwo? The queen. He was the Beyonce of Pokemon.
That was like the most beautiful, weirdly beautiful.
Exactly, he was so mystic and godlike and divine.
You know, there's so many cartoons at our times compared to the ones that are now. There's like 4 or 5 cartoons now, and there were like 30, 40, 100.
My lord.
They were like 100
We used to
for
watch
sure.
all that shit. We were like serious, like it was serious business. People go to the church, we went to Cartoon Network. Wait. Sugar, spice, and everything nice. These were the secret ingredients.
No, he said his name. Mojojo.
Mojojo. I know.
And Professor.
Professor.
I don't know. And the tiny mayor and his secretary who just showed like
Miss Bellum.
Like they never showed her face.
They never did.
Did they? I don't think they ever
They only
showed
showed her face once, just like Miss
from Tom and Jerry. Yeah, they never showed that lady's face. But
what was her name?
But-
Mammy Two Shoes. Yes.
I think Tom and Jerry was amazing. Scooby Dooby Doo, where are you? And something. And then it was also in Hindi. Scooby Dooby Doo, kaha tu? And something. Because I don't remember.
Choco. And all the crossovers between Scooby-Doo and the Addams Family and Johnny Bravo.
Oh
Remember
god.
those?
I remember the Johnny one because of the Velma and Johnny.
Oh my god, Johnny and I shipped Johnny and Velma so hard.
I want them together so much.
OTV.
I don't know, somehow this is perfect.
I know. Remember that show? These cartoon characters used to race each other.
Yeah, there was something called
Amazing race. I don't know.
I don't know what the show was called.
Wacky Race. It was like the proper tournament. People used to watch NASCAR and F1.
F1 and everything.
And we used to watch Wacky Racer because. Excuse.
Popeye the Sailor Man. Woo woo.
The movie is coming out.
Sailor Man. Woo. What? I miss Popeye so much. Oh.
And I remember, okay, I used to watch 2 shows of Popeye. One used to come on Cartoon Network or the other one on Doordarshan. I'm sorry, Doordarshan had all the cool shows. I love Doordarshan. Shout out to everyone at Doordarshan.
They did have cool shows.
All the cool shows. Even Teletubbies was on Doordarshan.
Thundercats! Like these, they were like humanly people, but they had these.
Were they aliens? I still don't get it.
I don't know, they had these tails and
but
this body with the
so
cat's
hot.
tail. Yes, oh my god, why were they all so hot?
Like,
what is wrong with you?
As a 5-year-old, I was still lust for them.
I was attracted to
them. Like, yes. And remember Flintstones and Jetsons?
Oh!
The crossover between Jetsons and Flintstones?
I don't remember.
Hanna-Barbera knew their shit. Okay, can we please talk about Grim Adventures and what
Billy
they
and
have
Mandy.
done to Billy and Mandy? And okay, so
they've ruined it.
They've ruined it. The Indians have ruined it. Billy, Mandy, and
lost
Life Mein Haddi. What the actual fuck are you doing with my show? Mandy was my.
Haddi. Haddi.
He talks like how you talk on WhatsApp.
He talks with every word has a the in it. Like, what is the name? Is the fucked up English. The Looney Tunes shows like Bugs Bunny, Roadrunner.
Yes.
That.
Remember the Grandma show or something? Granny show?
They used to live with Granny, and then there was Tweet. Like Sylvester always trying to eat Tweety or whatever.
Granny was everyone's granny.
I actually thought of her as like my grandma. She was very cute.
You had your grandmas in your family. Yeah, then you had Granny.
Granny was the ideal grandma.
Animax.
Oh god.
Animax
was the big shit.
Yes. They banned Animax in India so hard.
I used to watch Naruto, and now Naruto is finally over. I had to read the manga. Okay, there was Naruto. There was Full Metal Alchemist.
Yes.
And then obviously Cardcaptor Sakura was the Curious Play, and there was Nodame Cantabile, these musicians and everything. Ooh. And then there was Maid-sama, and Maid-sama has like the best boyfriend ever. Remember Soumya told you about the guy? What was, if you only stuck to cartoon, I don't know what's wrong with you. Go check out anime. Anime characters are the hottest shit on planet Earth. You will fall in love with every single character, no matter what their age is. I mean, you will feel like a pedo, but they're also hot and they're also cool. Hope you guys enjoyed our video about all the cartoons that we had in our time when we were young, and basically you were young, or if you've seen these shows, because these were amazing. They were love. Obsessed.
If you have any shows that we missed out,
please let us know in the comment down below. Please comment down below if we missed out on something. And give us a big thumbs up if you like the video, and subscribe because it's free as. And we look so fat. Fat's so running.